Ayan, good day po sa ating lahat, mga life coaches, squad leaders, and PNP personnel. Sa araw na ito, tatalakayin po natin ang ating lesson ng PNP Swim Week 1, Love of God. Ito po ay galing sa manual po natin mismo na Interfaith Squad System Manual ng PNP Internal Cleansing Strategy. So what is lesson 1? Love of God, or our love for our God. Now, in Matthew chapter 22, in verse 36, ito po ang ating verse na tatalakayin. Ano? Master, which is the great or greatest commandment in the law? Ito po'y tanong ng mga disipulo sa ating Panginoon sa paghahangad na malaman nila, so to speak, I believe, for them to follow. Ano? At sabi ng ating Panginoon na walang pag-alinlangan, Jesus said unto him, Thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart, and with all thy soul, and with all thy mind. So kung titingnan po natin, ito ay isang direct command. No? Hindi po ito ipinapakiusap. Hindi po ito choice or option, rather. No? But this is something that we are commanded to do so. No? This is the first and the great commandment. Alin? To love God. So kung mayroon po pala tayong commandment katulad niyan, no? Well, in fact, sa mga tropa po natin, di ba? Meron tayong kasabihan. Ika nga, sabi nila, to obey before you complain. Okay? So dito po, dahil direct command ito, and this is the greatest commandment, to love God, I believe, kailangan po nating mag-adhere doon sa utos sa atin. So ano yung effort na ginagawa natin para ipakita, iparamdam, ihayag natin ang pagmamahal natin sa ating Diyos? No? Ika nga sabi nila, no, the best way to find love is to find God. Okay? And so as we search, as we dig deeper na kung paano natin mahalin ng ating Panginoon, tingnan po natin ang ating paligid. Tingnan natin yung mga taong pinaglilingkuran natin. Sapagkat ito yung sabi ng Panginoon, kung anong ginagawa natin to the least of His people, ay ginagawa na rin natin para sa Kanya. Alright? And second thing is that we were created in God's image for the very purpose, and that is to praise and glorify Him in everything that we do. Okay? So, meron ba tayong ginagawa sa araw-araw nating pag-duty, sa family, sa service, no? Dapat daw anumang bagay na ginagawa natin. Ang pinaka-ultimate purpose niyan to prove that we love God is that it is praising and glorifying doon po sa ating Panginoon. So, you ask yourself, no? Yung ginawa ko ba kanina, is it praising unto the Lord? Is it glorifying unto the Lord? Or I did it just for the sake of other people? No? So, Genesis chapter 1 verse 27. No? Tayo ang ating pong pagkalikha. No? Sabi dito, so God created man in His own image, in the image of God. Created He him, male and female. Created He them. No? So, tayo pong mga nilikha ng Diyos. No? May purpose po yan. No? Hindi lang para mabuhay ng 70, 80, or 100 years old dito sa lupa, but that is for us to serve the very purpose. And that is to glorify God. So make sure na ang ginagawa mo, decision mo, ay glorifying sa Panginoon. Hindi lang sa tao. Kasi pag ang tao lang ang glorify mo, pag tao lang ang pinasaya mo, bukas makalawa, isang linggo, isang buwan, maaaring hindi na sa masaya sa ginagawa mo. So we have to think. No? You have to make your choices. Is it glorifying unto God? So to prove that you love God, do the right thing. Do that which is right before the Lord. No? Thirdly and last is to live a life that is pleasing to God and avoid doing things that displease Him. Okay, meron pong instance sa Bible sa Proverbs chapter 6 in verse 16 to 19. Sabi niya, 6 things doth the Lord hate, yea, 7 are an abomination unto Him. Ano kaya ito? Okay? A proud look, a lying tongue, a hands that shed innocent blood, a heart that deviseth wicked, imaginations or feet that swift in running to mischief. Okay? Ito yung mga tuso, sabihin natin na mapaglamang sa kapwa. Okay? Because of their own personal gain and personal interest lamang ang kanila pong tinitingnan. Okay? In verse 19, ito yung pampito, sabi niya dito, no? A false witness that speaketh lies, and he that soweth discord among brethren. Dito po pumapasok yung kilalang-kilala nating mga marites, sabi nila, no? Those people who spread discord, no? Wala silang ginawa kundi manira ng kapwa, false witness, okay? And the Lord hated. Okay? Pwede nating makuha ang isang posisyon without, damaging other people. Okay? Pwede tayong ma-promote without damaging other people. And that is one thing to show that we love our God. So I hope that with this, we are reminded to show our love for God. Okay? First, it's an effort to love God. Second, is an effort to praise and glorify God. And another thing is an effort to please God and avoid things that displease the Lord. Right? So, as I close, kung meron po kayong mga natutunan, most significant learning today, and application para sa buhay natin sa araw-araw, you can share it with others. Thank you, and God bless.